American coins from the 1940s often get overlooked. And the 1949 Jefferson Nickel is a perfect example. At first glance, it looks like ordinary pocket change. But this coin quietly carries a story that collectors take very seriously today. Struck in Denver just after World War II, it comes from a time when the US economy was shifting back to peacetime, and coins were being produced heavily for everyday use. Most 1949 nickels went straight into circulation. They were handled daily, spent without thought, and worn down quickly. That's why so many examples today show weak details, dull surfaces, and heavy marks. In circulated condition, these coins are common and carry little premium. But the story changes dramatically when condition improves. High-grade survivors of the 1949 Jefferson Nickel are surprisingly scarce. The Denver Mint often produced coins with soft strikes, and Jefferson's hair and cheek are the first areas to lose detail. On the reverse, Monticello frequently appears flat, with weak steps and blended lines, a coin that shows strong definition in Jefferson's portrait. Clean fields and clear architectural detail on Monticello immediately stands out. Collectors pay close attention to surface quality. Original luster, minimal contact marks, and sharp edges make a huge difference. A lightly circulated example may only be worth a small premium, but mint state coins climb quickly in value as grades rise. The jump from an average uncirculated coin to a sharply struck, well-preserved one can be significant. What really fuels demand is how few of these nickels were saved properly. In the late 1940s, people weren't setting aside rolls of nickels for the future. Coins were tools, not collectibles. As a result, truly clean examples are far harder to find than the mintage numbers suggest. When a high-quality 1949 Jefferson Nickel appears on the market, collectors notice. Competition increases because opportunities are limited. The difference between an ordinary coin and a premium one often comes down to tiny details, a single mark, or a slight break in luster. This coin reminds collectors that rarity isn't always about low mintage. It's about survival. The 1949 Jefferson Nickel proves that even common-looking American coins can become desirable when condition, history, and preservation align. It's a quiet post-war issue that rewards careful inspection and patience, and it stands as a strong example of why collectors never underestimate modern US coinage.